The housing law Protect Yuh. In 2023, the immigrant community in Vermont, led by the organization what them call Migrant Justice, they start come together to fight against the discrimination in our housing. Before that, them used to make the excuse say, if you don't have a social security number, them can refuse to rent you the apartments as one immigrant. After 2 years worth of struggle, the effort with the immigrant community did put in successful, and I saw them make sure so people can find housing. In 2025, the Law of Access to Housing Act 69 did go in effect. What a lawyer actually do? Any kind of discrimination against smaddy because of them immigration status or citizenship, no against the law in any public space in Vermont, in restaurants, hotels, and other public places them too. Them can't discriminate against you just because you're an immigrant. This includes discrimination by the police or correction officers them too. Any kind of discrimination in housing against smaddy because of them immigration status or citizenship is also against the law. The housing agencies and landlord them can't deny you a place for live or treat you differently just because you're an immigrant. The law say the landlord and the housing agencies them can't require you to have social security number for rent your house or apartment. Them can't reject your application just because you don't have a social security number. If the housing agency or the landlord want to check your credit or criminal record, them have to accept other kind of ID instead of just the social security number. Some of the alternatives them include passport, a driver's license, state ID, or one document from the government of your home country when it expire. Either the original or the copy, or an individual taxpayer identification number, what them also call ITIN. If a landlord or housing agency asks of your social, them must make it clear say this optional. What me can do if me think them did discriminate against me in the housing or in a public space? For example, if them ask a social security number upon a rental application. Contact the Vermont Human Rights Commission so them can talk with the landlord or housing agency on your behalf. Email human.rights@vermont.gov or call 802-828-2480. What information me fi keep fi help me case? One copy or a picture of the rental application will ask for your social security number. Any response from the landlord or housing agency will deny the application for lack of social security, or any conversation in which they continually ask for your social security number. This could be by text, email, or voicemail. The name and the phone number for the landlord or housing agency. The law Protect Yuh stand up for your right to housing.